Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a rainy day clean with me. I really wanted to get back into filming some cleaning videos for this channel. This one has been filmed and unedited for a very long time, so let me know if you want to see more of these and I will definitely try to improve on them. As you can see, my house was a complete disaster. We are going to start off in my bathroom. I just got this new clementine scent for the Method cleaner. It really smells amazing. I'm going to try and keep this voiceover minimal so that you can really listen to the music and just clean along with me and see what I'm doing. How much water is that, Emmett? Emmett dumped his entire sippy cup of water all over this windowsill. Now we're down in our completely unfinished basement. Lumber is way too expensive right now for us to prioritize this home project. Let me know if you have any laundry room ideas because I definitely want to make this space look way better than it does right now. You can see I'm missing about 3.5 feet of countertop. I am working on a kitchen reno video as things are getting done. As you can see, the whole dishwasher topples over if you put too much weight on the door because there's no countertop on top of it. We are putting in a cabinet in between there. We just got the dishwasher installed as our new house didn't have one at all, and I feel like that's a necessity for a large family. The countertops and the sink, all of it is getting replaced, and I'm excited to share that once it's finished. Emmett is such a good helper. He is helping a lot through this video, either helping for real, actual helpful toddler and also not so helpful times, but I love having him around all day long. This is the Mrs. Meyer lilac scent. I love this. We actually have a couple lilac bushes / trees out in the yard that smell so lovely, but it actually completely ran out while spraying down the stove, so I'll have to buy that one again. This is actually the next day. The house got way too crazy for me to continue filming, so I'm now folding the laundry you guys saw that I took up the stairs the following morning. I forgot how hectic it is trying to film while cleaning versus just knocking out my to-do list without filming, especially when I have all 3 kids home with me. I will definitely need to work on how I'm filming these clean with me videos in the future. You can see Emmett is stealing the laundry as I'm folding it off the bed. Not so helpful. He also had hats strewn all through the house and out of the container that they are stored in. Our entryway is in a constant state of disaster. We have this huge coat closet with shelving. Everything is organized in there, but nothing ever makes its way into the closet. And I also hate how ugly this big black mat is. However, it does help with keeping the floors clean, especially us being a family of 5 and with small children. It's big enough that everyone has room to come in the door without tracking mud and dirt and all of that throughout the entire house while we get our shoes off. If you have any suggestions for entryway organization or different mats I could put in here to make this space look better, I would love to hear them. Emmett had 3 different shoes without matches on this mat. I have no idea what he's done with the other 3. This is all I was able to film for this clean with me without extending it into a 3-day clean with me. Let me know what you'd like to see in the next one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!